Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Home Assistant for secure remote access with Nabu Casa. Full guide step by step clearly. To configure Home Assistant for secure remote access with Nabu Casa, begin by logging into your Home Assistant instance. Open your browser and enter your Home Assistant URL. Once logged in, navigate to the configuration section in the sidebar. Select the Home Assistant Cloud option from the list. You will see a prompt to sign in for Nabu Casa. If you don't have an account, click on Create an Account and follow the instructions. If you already have an account, enter your credentials and click Sign in. Once logged in, enable the Remote Access option. This will allow you to access your Home Assistant interface securely from anywhere. Nabu Casa uses SSL encryption for secure connections, so you don't have to worry about setting up certificates yourself. Next, take note of the URL provided by Nabu Casa for your remote access. This URL is unique to your Home Assistant instance. You can now open this URL on any device to access your Home Assistant dashboard remotely. For additional security, consider enabling two-factor authentication. Navigate back to the Users section within Configuration. Select your account and enable two-factor authentication if it is not already activated. Follow the prompts to set it up using an authenticator app. Make sure to back up any recovery codes provided during this process. Now that your remote access is configured, test it by opening a new browser tab. Enter the Nabu Casa URL and attempt to log in using your credentials. If everything is set up correctly, you should be able to access your Home Assistant interface from anywhere. In case of any issues, review the configuration settings to ensure everything has been properly saved and enabled. Nabu Casa also offers support, so you can reach out if you encounter any problems. With these steps completed, your Home Assistant should now be securely accessible from remote locations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.